This is our friend Rishabh. Me, Alan Rumpa, had dropped the plan of doing a Himachal trip, but just one phone call to him, he convinced us. And also he gave us his own car, and we really enjoyed this trip. Thank you, Rishabh. Hope you like it. Original plan was to go to Goa, and then the plan changed to Pondi, and then plan changed to Manali because Manali is on yellow alert. We cancelled it, again changed it to Pondi. But luck has it, we have come to Chandigarh. We are still gonna do Manali in spite of yellow alert. I want to capture your expression.
Wow.
अरे बिल्कुल कैमरा सब लेके आए भाई.
रेत पे पैरों से तेरे निशान मेरे दिल पर लोगों की लहरों सी है बातों से मिटेंगे
Just in the morning, we had no idea that we were gonna go on a trip to Manali. So the plan was pretty simple: land up in Chandigarh and then drive all the way to Manali and then to Rohtang Pass. And today we had not booked any hotel, and today we are in
Manali.
Now we'll drive to Rohtang Pass. Let's go, Rumpa. Chalo. Actually, even I like walking rivers.
I'm not gonna make it alone.
This is what we feared the most, rain. A very kind friend of us gave his own car for us to go. We are just waiting for him to come. Next plan is to go to Rohtang Pass. Bah. There at the center. No, we'll make lot of videos. So this water is spring water from Brigu Lake. कहाँ से आते हैं, कितने ऊपर से?
You want to see the source of water?
Can I wear shoes and come here?
Acha, Rishabh. A brief description of this thing. What is this?
So this water is the spiritual water.
Okay.
This is coming from Brigu Lake,
Okay.
which is around 16,000 feet and 300 kilometers from here. Okay. So and Jawaharlal Nehru used to drink this water here whenever he was.
अरे we all hate him यार, जवाहरलाल नेहरू.
You're going.
That's pure ganja, marijuana. You find marijuana in gutter here. You have to. गई आज रूम्पा गई.
Not going Rumpa.
Oh, I just know this.
Hello, we will have a tea break, huh?
Yeah. Looks perfect place here for a tea break.
हाँ, आ जाओ.
He's the man who got us Rohtang permit. Huh? The beauty. These are real apples, huh? अब मैं लेके खा सकता हूँ?
नहीं.
क्यों, किसी का होता है ये?
हाँ, obviously. This is not wild.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
We were on our way to Rohtang Pass, but we have enough fuel. The Endeavour didn't have enough fuel. They turned back. They forced us to go to Rohtang Pass. हमने बोला we'll go to Rohtang Pass, but we are turning back because they were not letting us to turn back. So secretly we are turning back and heading back to Manali.
Secret.
We'll do Rohtang Pass tomorrow, first thing in the morning, because they were not letting us to turn back.
It's okay, Vipul. It's okay.
After yesterday's failed Rohtang Pass attempt, today it's been pouring since morning. Our second attempt to Rohtang Pass. Play music, Rumpa. I've changed to a warmer jacket. I would suggest you both also to change. I'm on gloves also. Why aren't you stepping out, Rumpa?
So we are on our way to Rohtang Pass.
I think we'll... अरे यार चढ़ लेते हैं थोड़ी देर. We'll climb that mountain.
That's what we're doing.
चलो. Okay people, welcome to this beautiful state of Himachal Pradesh. We have just stopped somewhere in between on our way to Rohtang Pass. If you don't know what Rohtang Pass is, Atal Tunnel was built to bypass this Rohtang Pass. Just look at all those mountains, clouds, slope, road. So we are 6. We all are school friends. Alan, Rishabh, Archit, my wife, Rishabh's wife. So we have come in those 2 cars. Next stop I think it'll be Rohtang Pass. Alan, you wanna drive? He's taking a leak, huh? Wait. I'll give you a better view. People downstream will be drinking, oh, mountain water is so pure, anta. Little do they know.
We need some salt in the water, okay?
Alan, you'll drive for some time. Car keys in the car.
Nothing.
These shoes.
Come
on. Decathlon, yaar. Don't wear it, nah, don't wear it. It is fun. We both are trying to not wear jacket. It's okay, you can. This guy never wears jacket. He has not worn sweater in his life ever.
That's true. True story.
चल मैं तेरे को मसाला thumbs up बना के ही पिलाऊंगा. All you have to do is take bit of thumbs up, of chaat masala and lot of kala namak. Go for it. Wait, let's do cheers before that. There was a huge rock that fell from somewhere over there and just rolled right in front of us and went down.
As big as a cow.
So now we are a little scared, don't know to go or not go. I think you should go, yeah. The other car is just waiting for you. Move, Alan.
Why did you honk then?
I don't know, just move. There's nothing anyone can do. Yeah, okay, I'll ask what happened.
Ask them to go ahead.
Turning back. This कच्चा पहाड़.
Okay.
ऊपर तक पूरा कच्चा पहाड़ है. अगर एक पत्थर गिरा है मतलब it's highly risky. That would have been us ना यार. रुक जा एक मिनट.
I think we see that rock that you were talking about.
You can see that rock.
Yeah. I think we should continue, yaar.
चले
Yeah.
यार
We have come this far.
never. बस मैं कह रहा हूँ चल सकते हैं अपन but never have this thinking है. कितनी भी दूर आए हो.
This is point 0, topmost point of Rotang Pass. From here, it is all downwards. This is the view. Generally, it will be covered with snow. September, probably season is like this. तू कुछ नहीं कर रहा अच्छत? हाँ. What is that? Why? What's so special about these?
अरे रंजना.
Stitched by hand.
How much are those?
100 rupees.
You wanna buy? Pick it up. What do I do with it? ठीक है, pick one for me also. From Rotang Pass, 0 point. It's Alan's responsibility to take us down this beautiful road. Endeavour is there. This is the road that you see in magazines and stuff like that. The feeling of seeing the view from car and actually stepping out and seeing this view in person is very different. Alan, we almost cancelled this plan. We almost. Damn. Alan, Rumba, just get out of the car, I'm telling you. Fuck. Snow-capped mountains. We have come to a place called Susi, which is at 10,000 feet. Found a homestay because all the other places were completely booked. We found a decent place. But the best part about this is it's an authentic Pahadi house. Jao auntie? Uncle wants to come to Siliguri. वो बहुत घूमता है it seems. मुझे भी बहुत मन है कारगिल घूमने का. अब आज ही आए कारगिल से.
2 दिन पहले.
परसों आया.
ओह. बहुत मन है अंकल कारगिल हिमाचली हिमाचल से है ना, उसके घर में घी खा के ये पागल हो गई इसीलिए।
आपको कितना एक रखूं?
हाँ भाई इतना काफी है आंटी, वो निकाल दो।
Take a photo from there, yeah, from that angle.
वेट ना, मेकिंग अ वीडियो, दिखाना है इधर पार्टी चल रहा है। दिस गाय यू कैन सी हिम इन बनियन। जब अंकल छोटे थे, he used to walk all the way from Manali to Rohtang Pass.
जैसे मैं एक पैर आगे रखूँ ना, हवा मुझे फिर पीछे धकेल देता है, फिर लकड़ी होता है।
7 फुट दरवाजा खोलोगे तो ये खत्म हो गई बात। तू किसी को बोलती तू ये पी, तू ये खा, तू ये कर, तू वो कर, और जबरदस्ती कराता है। अभी जबरदस्ती कर रहा हूँ मैं कि तू नाचेगा यहाँ पे कैमरे।
सीन्स कुछ ऐसा है। I'm a morning person. Gotten up really early. I got up at 6:30. I don't know what to do. Probably I'll just hike on one of these mountains. आज ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या है? ये टीमो, ये
आलू सब्जी और सूप, छुरपे का सूप।
तुप्पा।
छुरपे डाला, ये वाला डाल के बनाए।
ओह, ये चीज डाल के।
पानी तो फिर
This is the star of the show.
उसमें से अच्छा आया होगा वो भेज दूंगा।
ठीक है।
Thank you, uncle. Bye bye. I used to see this Atal tunnel.
I'm Alan.
Dabba joker mane litpa. I used to see this Atal joke. Sorry, Atal tunnel on news channel. But it's a proud moment. We'll be passing, and Alan has the honor to take us through Atal tunnel. Have you passed through this? I have no idea. Must be 10,000 feet. Tunnel is built under a mountain. It's a straight line like an arrow, and you can either take Rohtang Pass to reach Susi, or you take this one straight line. It'll save you a lot of travel time. I'm not sure, but I think we saved around 4 hours or something.
I feel like having sushi though.
Sishu. Sisu. We just get up in the morning and decide where to go. We decided we'll go halfway to Leh Ladakh, see the cold desert and come back. But because of landslide, we decided we'll go to Kasol, and we are in Kasol. And we also book hotels on the fly. This is just a random hotel that we booked that is right next to a mighty river, which I will show it to you in a while. So you can sleep listening to the river. Oh, and only in the morning we got to know how awesome the views are. I'm yet to see the other side of Kasol. This is the mighty river that I was talking about. Quite intimidating, huh? That's where I have breakfast here, or we'll go to the city and see. फूलों की
चाहता है फूलों की लाशों में, जिंदा है तो आसमान में उड़ने की जिद है, जिंदा है तो आसमान में उड़ने की जिद है, मर जाए तो सड़ने को जमी चाहता है, आदमी चूतिया है। काट के सारे झाड़ वाड़ मकान बना लिया खेत में, सीमेंट बिछा कर जमीन सजा दी, मार के कीड़े रेत में। काट के सारे झाड़ वाड़ मकान बना लिया खेत में।
This marks the sad end of our trip. Bye bye. Have a good trip.
See you in Bangalore.
Bye bye. Bye bye. It's just me and Rumpa going back to Bangalore now.